next technique is called dragon from the water. Just like the other techniques, you can do this on the inside of the arm or the outside of the arm. By the way, in the last one, you'll notice we had my arms are above his arm on the inside, my arms are above his arm on the outside, his arms are above my arm on the inside, and his arms are above my arm on the outside, giving us those four. This one is called dragon from the water. There's a lot of different names for this, and it's not well understood in karate. So I'm going to show you what people think it is, and then I'm going to tell you they're wrong, and I'll show you what's way better. Okay, so he's going to line up here, he's going to punch, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to poke him, and he dies instantly. The idea that you're hitting here with this is one idea. This isn't in any karate books, okay? A couple of problems with this is that his throat is rounded, so when I hit it, I can glance off. Also, there's a question if I could really hurt someone like Chris with this strike. Maybe I could, but I'm going to show you one that's way better. In the Okinawan books, it shows this web of the hand, and I believe that this got miscommunicated. So this is how it's usually done in karate. If you move the thumb there, it becomes a totally different strike, and the striking surface is actually here. Okay? So on the outside of the arm, I'm going to parry here, and I'm going to hit here. Now what's interesting here is, if I just do this, already, how are you doing?
Okay. Okay.
You can actually seriously hurt someone just by doing that strike. Okay, just by doing that. And this comes from Dragon Kung Fu, which got incorporated into karate, which is why it's called dragon coming from the water in the bubishi. So we're coming here, we're hitting this. This should be enough, but there's also a step. So what happens in the kata is you come here and you hit and you step and you take a full step. The reason for that step is I'm going to come here, I'm going to hit him, and then I'm going to step forward. And this is what happens. Okay? This is a very, very reliable technique, especially on people bigger, stronger, etc. So on the outside of the arm, go ahead. I'm coming here, and I'm coming here. Okay? And even though I'm using one hand and just this part of my hand, I can take him down with that. Dragon from the water on the inside is similar. Okay, he's going to punch, but this is going to wind and come here. So we're still just like the kata, but I'm going to wind and come here. This puts an additional elbow semi-lock, not really a lock. This comes through, and I hit, and after I hit, I step through and throw. You'll notice there's a lot of hit and then throws in karate. So I step through, I hit, and I step through, and he's down. Okay? I'm going to show you that again. Wait, are we doing outside or inside? We're doing inside. Okay, go ahead. Okay, I'll show you one more time. How's your throat, Chris? Okay. From the outside, same thing. Right there. Okay? So, I beg you, go and hit someone with this Nukite strike in the neck, then try hitting someone with the Y formed in your thumb. Trust me, this one is way better, and you can take someone down with it. The other one, you hit them, it might glance off. This is extremely reliable. Try it out. Dragon from the water.